first step that we're going to try to do now on this approach, on this methodology of design thinking, will be to identify the problem and the challenge. And the topic that we're going to work now is youth work. Yeah. So you have now 5 minutes inside your team to define one problem that you know that exists in youth work. So just debate in your team, brainstorming, and then write down. I need your attention, please, everybody. Yeah? Okay? So now you did the first step already. It was to try to identify a problem and a challenge. Now the following steps will follow that one. So you're going to try to solve that problem and to finish that challenge that you discovered. So the second step in this methodology itself, it's called insights and needs. One person will be making questions to the others, and the others will be answering. Try to make questions related with their experience in youth work and related also with the problems they face or not. And try to make general questions regarding their experience in youth work or their experience also with this kind of situations. And just question. Don't worry so much about what the person is answering or not, but pay attention. And whenever you have an insight, and it can be sometimes just aha moment or just some idea, and keep with you always a post-it and a pen. So all the time that you are making questions and listening the experience of the other person, all the time you have an insight or you identify a need from that person, just write down on a post-it. Then you're going to put on the flip chart and we're going to work on the second step, on the third step after. Now that we already identified a problem, now that you have also some insights and needs, we're going to pass to the third step of the design thinking approach. So now you're going to create a persona. A persona is a profile of somebody that can have this problem and can have these needs. And the profile, it's important to try also to filter. In this case, we are now converging our thinking. And to try to identify really a username, try to identify the needs of this persona, this profile, and also why this persona has got these needs.